Welcome back to the channel, guys. Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas Day. I hope you guys got everything you wanted, but if you didn't, you will. But so this video is going to be consistent of a video vlog again. Two reasons. One, I don't have any parts. Two, I'm not taking these gas tanks off in 15-degree weather, so no thanks on that. But currently getting gas right now. I'll get back with you here in a second. All right, but like I said, it's a little cold for my likings right now.
Pussy.
It's currently 18 degrees out, according to the mirror here in the car. So there won't be a hands-on video this week, but later on tonight or tomorrow, I will be giving you guys an update on what the game plan is. But for now, I gotta go work. I'll catch you guys here in about 1 second, your time. All right, so like I said, it was a second, but yeah, it's the next day now. So I can finally sit down and go over everything that we're gonna be going over. All right, so like I said, I got my gas tank stuff ordered. I literally have everything. Let's go ahead and go to the computer real quick. All right, now that we are at the computer, I'll go ahead and show you everything that I got. All right, as you can see here, I got the fuel line disconnect tool. Got my lock ring tool for the setting unit. The attaching hardware, I forget what that is. I'll pull it up here in a second. Got my spark plugs. Got 2 new tanks on its way. Got 2 sets of straps coming for the fuel tanks. I got my driver passenger side FSUs. And then I got my spark plug wire set coming. Let's go ahead and peep this real quick. Oh, okay, I know what it is now. This is for the straps. Alright. I'll go ahead and pull up the other thing that I've got for future video. Okay. What page? Got that right there. Got my front end bolt kit on its way. It's expensive. 140 bucks, dude. 140 bucks. Just for that. Ridiculous. Alrighty. Alright, so the plan is when they all get here, which is supposed to be between the 28th and January 15th, or 5th, sorry. Hopefully that I can get as much work as I can done in that amount of time. I'm gonna check the calendar real quick. All right, so the 28th is Monday. The 5th is on a Tuesday. So hopefully it's not too bad next weekend. So that way I can go ahead and get you guys a video of me taking off the fuel tank hardware and stuff. All that, go ahead and get it disassembled. So by the time Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday rolls around, when every part gets in here, I can start recording the installation video. Like I said though, last video, parts are gonna, slowly trickle in and stuff, and expected holiday delays and stuff. But let's hope they get here on time and whatnot. So that is the game plan. So this video vlog, next video, disassembly of the fuel tanks, fuel sending unit, get the lines all disconnected, everything, get everything pitched out, get it all set up for the following video after that of all the installation of all the new fuel stuff. And then after that, I'm hoping I can get all my front end parts, all the inside the doghouse parts, other than the engine and stuff, obviously. My fenders, my new radiator core support, grill, headlights, headlight bezels, everything. That's the other thing I didn't tell you guys. I am doing a front end swap. I am going with a dual headlight. That's slickest look I could. I just couldn't get over that look, man. So that's what I'm gonna go for here. But that's a little off topic. Let me see that. With that being the game plan and stuff, there's should be a consistent flow of content coming out and whatnot. So yeah. Let's see what else. What do I want to go? Okay, so here coming up. Might be in January, might be early February. It'll be one of those 2 months. But there will be a break for sure coming up. So that way I can work on my Trans Am. I will record this for you guys. But I'm gonna have to dedicate a week to the Trans Am, so that way get the engine put in, you know, make sure everything is going good. So that way I can freaking drive it. Gotta rep, man. Gotta represent. But I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel and everything. I mean, that's essentially all I got for you. I mean, we went over the game plan. It's gonna be vlog this week. It's gonna be disassemble next week. The following week is gonna be installation. Should be pretty set in stone there. I mean, unless something comes up at work, that's the game plan. Parts don't arrive. That's the only thing. But until next week, guys, you guys have a good one, and I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.